All right, guys, I was really excited about the redesign of the RAV4. Now, this vehicle has been around for quite a while, and it's always been a pretty good choice in the small SUV, CUV segment. But this model right here, this generation, I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this is probably the best. Now, back in the day, the RAV4 used to have that barn door that opened this way with that hefty spare tire on it. But today, the spares down here without compromising space. There's just class-leading space back here, guys. Again, I really like this rubber strip here that blends right in with the bumper, but gives you a nice worry-free, slip-free handle here. You don't have to worry about nicking up the back of the vehicle when you're loading and unloading gear. Look for my full review of the RAV4 coming soon. And guys, I quickly want to give a shout out to the sponsor of this video and every video I create in the month of June, lootshop.com. I'll leave a link below so you can check them out. My buddy Jason Lutz is the maker of fine wood crafted items like this beautiful double-edged safety razor here. If you need logo pins, a unique gift, beautiful handcrafted wood products from lootshop.com. Send a nice gift to someone or just buy a gift for yourself. lootshop.com. Don't sleep. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that pen. Made here in America. Reach out to Jason Lutz and let him know the average guy sent you. And I will see you guys soon.